Good morning friends. Hello, I am Anup sir. Today we are give you the syllabus from 10th standard subject science published by the gseb Gujarat Secondary Education Board. Due to the corona, 30% according syllabus reduced from our syllabus. Today I give you which is the included portion and which is the removed portion in the science. We have to see here. First of chapter number 1, we have to see here which is the included and which is the excluded chemical equation and the reaction. Chemical equations, type of the chemical reactions, displacement reaction, oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. It is the included portion, which is the removed portion. We have to see here, seen here. Double displacement reaction, effect of oxidation in everyday life, exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. It is a very important topic removed from our syllabus. In every year there are many questions asking from this topic. Now we have to see from the chapter number 2, acid, base and salt, which is the included portion and which is the removed portion. Chemical properties of acid and base, what is the common between in acid and base, how strong and acid and base, more about the salt. Activity 2.1 to 2.1.6, activity 2.9 is removed from the chapter number 2, acid, base and salt. Now we have to see in the chapter number 3, metals and non-metals. Now we have to see which is the included portion and which is the excluded portion, means removed portion. Which is the included portion from the metal and non-metal? We have to see in physical properties, how do the metals and the non-metals react, occurrence of metals. Which is the removed portion from the metals and non-metals? Chemical properties of the metals, refining of metals, properties of ionic compounds, enrichment of ore, corrosion and prevention of corrosion. All are the very important topics removed from the syllabus. Your syllabus, I hope 45% according to reduce, according to my knowledge. Now we have to see in chapter number 4, carbon and its compound, bonding, carbon covalent bond, versatile nature of carbon, soap and the detergent. Which is the excluded, removed portion? Chemical properties of the carbon compound, homologous series are removed from the chapter number 4. Now we have to see in chapter number 5 and chapter number 6 which is the included portion and which is the removed portion. We have to see here chapter number 5, periodic classification of elements, which is the included portion. Making order out of Chau's early attempts, making order out Chau's mainly periodic tables, making order out of Chau's modern periodic table. Which is the removed portion? Trends of modern periodic table, limitation and the Mendeleev's classification are. It is also very important question removed from your portion. Now we have to see in chapter number 6, life process, which is the included portion and which is the removed portion. What are life process? Nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion are included in chapter number 6 and which is the removed portion. Chapter number 6, transportation in plants, excretion in plants, transportation in human being, heart, oxygen enters the blood of the lungs. Means human heart is a very important topics. In every year there are many questions asking from the here, but today's year it is removed from your syllabus. It is a very sad news or also glad news for also. What you think? I don't know. Now chapter number 7, control and the coordination, and chapter number 8, how do organisms are reproduce, which is the included portion and which is the removed portion. We have to see here. From the chapter number 7, animal nervous system, coordination in plants, hormones in animals are included and which is the removed portion? Movement due to the growth, reflex action, how the nervous tissue causes action. It is also removed from this portion. I hope you carry it. Chapter number 8, how do organisms reproduce, which is the included portion? Mode of the reproduction, by a single organism, sexual reproduction, and which is the removed portion, do organisms create extinct copies of themselves, the importance of the variations are removed. Now we have to see in chapter number 9 and 10 which is the included portion and which is the removed portion. Heredity and the evolution, chapter number 9, heredity, evolution and the classification, human evolution specification, which is the removed portion, accumulation of variation during the reproduction, evolution should not be equated with the progress, is removed from the chapter number 9, heredity and the evolution. From the chapter number 10, light reflection and refraction, which is the included portion, reflection of the light, spherical mirror and refraction of the light. All the sum of the chapter number ray diagram are removed. All the sum are removed. Image formation by mirror and lens, all are removed. It is a very important things or chapters from chapter number 10 are removed from your standard. It is a very sad news because it is a physics related in standard 12. Now we have to see in chapter number 11, human eyes and the colorful world, we have to see in here. Which is the included portion and which is the removed portion? Included portion is the refraction of the light through the prism, diffraction of white light through the glass prism, atmospheric refraction and the scattering of the light. I explain you very well. Now, which is the removed portion? Human eye. Oh, human eye removed. It is a very important topic. Power of accommodation is, it is also very important point. Defect of vision, it is a very also important topic. Correction, color and the sun during the sunrise and sunset, Tyndall effect, all are the removed portion. Everything is removed from the chapter number 11. I am not agree with the syllabus. All the thing is removed from the chapter number 11, human eye in the colorful world. Now we have to see in the electricity, which is the included portion and which is the excluded portion. Electric current and the circuit, electric potential, potential difference, circuit diagram, Ohm's law, heating effect of electric current, resistance of the system of the resistors are included portion from the chapter number 12, which is the excluded or removed portion. Factor on which the resistance of the conductor depends and the sum based on its electric power, all are removed. It is also very important topic from the chapter number 12. Now we have to see in chapter number 13 and 14, which is the included portion and which is the excluded portion, we have to see in here. Chapter number 13, magnetic effect of the electric current, which is the included portion. Magnetic field and the field lines, force on a current carrying the conductor of magnetic field, electromagnetic induction. It is a very important topics. Which is the removed portion? Domestic circuit, electric motors, electric generators, magnetic field due to the current carrying and the conductor. Electric generator is the very important topic. It is asking in always in every year in the board examination, but here it is removed from your syllabus. It is not a good news. Now we have to see from the chapter number 14, source of the energy, which is the included and which is the removed portion. What is the good source of energy? Conventional source of energy, non-conventional source of energy, environmental consequence, how long will energy source last? It is a included portion from chapter number 14. Now we have to see the removed portion from the chapter number 14. Energy from the sea, geothermal energy, nuclear energy, biomass and biogas plant, it is removed from the chapter number 14. Now we have to see in which is included portion and removed portion from the chapter number 15 and 16. Chapter number 15, our environment, which is the included portion, ecosystem and its component, how do the activities effect of the environment. Which is the removed portion, food chain and food web, all are removed. It is not a good news for you because of it is asking in every year in your board examination. It's not fair. There are very important topics removed from your science book. It is not good news for you, because the wage of science from obtained from the here. Now we have to see in chapter number 16 sustainable management, which is the included portion and removed portion. We have to see in here, why do we need to manage our natural resource, forests and wildlife, water or all coal and petroleum. Stakeholders of forest conservation of water, it is also very important topic. It is very also for to know everyone. It is also removed from your syllabus. Your syllabus, science syllabus contains 16 chapters. All the 16 chapter I give you, which is the included portion and which is the excluded or removed portion according to your the board examination to 20 and 21. So I hope you prepare well science in for the board examination. Okay, if anybody have any query, then ask in comment box. Please share, like this video, because of it is very useful for all Gujarat state students, which is the excluded and included syllabus. I you must be share for your all friends. Have a nice day.